Today's video is going to be a 25 facts about me video. Seeing as I'm sort of just restarting my channel a bit, I want you all to know a little bit more about me. Also, I'm filming 2 videos today, so what I'm wearing now you'll definitely see in another video side by side to this one. So keep watching if you want to find out a little bit more about me. I am 25 years old. I am Australian, born in Tasmania. If you don't know where Tasmania is, look it up. It's just a tiny island, tiny little state below Australia. My middle name is Marie. I am a body piercer, an apprentice body piercer. I'm on a break due to some unhealthy workplace that I previously worked in. But yes, I am a body piercer on a break. I have 17 piercings, 30 tattoos, which makes a total of 47 body modifications, and I do not plan on stopping there. Now I am reading off a paper, so bear with me because this is long. My first YouTube video was made in 2011, so this channel is new, but it's definitely not my first time on YouTube. I have been making, on and off been making videos since 2011. I had about 152 videos before I stopped over on that channel, and my first video was called First Video Blog and OOTD or something. If I can find a way to put it in this video, or if I can find it, I will. It's so embarrassing. I'm only gonna put like a tiny clip if I can find a way. But yeah, how embarrassing. Ooh. And I started making those videos when I was 17. I'm now 25, so that's quite a long time. I'm a freelance model and I've been doing it for a couple of years now and I freaking love it. I have recently got into creative direction, which is, sorry, I'm just looking at someone looking at me through the window, which has been so much fun and I'm absolutely enjoying that. On that same note, I have recently had a work that I directed with a team published in a small-time Depop magazine called Mad About Depop. I don't think the issue is on sale anymore, but I will post something on my Instagram about it if you want to go check it out. My favorite band is 𝐓𝐴, which is a metal band. But I absolutely fucking love K-pop music. And if anyone's curious, my favorite K-pop band is NCT 127. So yes, I'm a dog. A gothic punk / K-pop loving dog. I love anime. My favorite all-time ever anime, and one that I definitely want to get something tattooed on me from, is Nana. I also, please watch Nana if you haven't. I also really obviously love Spirited Away. It's my favorite Ghibli. And then Death Note and Paradise Kiss are probably my other favorite animes. I love so many, but those are probably the top ones that come to mind. I am a cat mum, and this is my cat baby. Her name is Lucifer. I've introduced her before, but her name is Lucifer. Everybody calls her Lucy, and I am so happy I adopted her. She is a pest, and I freaking love her so much. For anyone who's curious about my star sign, I'm a Virgo sun, so I think that means like my core star sign. I'm also a Virgo moon, and I feel like that's very true to my insides and how I feel on the inside, and my rising is an Aries. Again, I think that's quite true to who I am, because as far as I know, Aries are quite driven, motivated, kind of like in the spotlight a little bit, so I feel like that works with my modeling and all my art stuff as well. I eat almost everything with chopsticks. My mum taught me when I was really young how to use them, and now I just like to eat a lot of things with them. I like to eat popcorn with them. Pretty much any meal that allows me to use chopsticks, I will use them because I love them that much. I just find them kind of like easy to use, so I just enjoy using them as a preferred cutlery method. In terms of my tattoos, I plan to be about 80 to 90% covered at some point. I will definitely be doing a tattoo video in the future, so don't worry about that. But yeah, this whole body pretty much needs to be covered. There are some places that I might sort of stray away from, but yeah, 80 to 90% of my body needs to be covered in tattoos. If I can't sleep, I absolutely have to put the sound of rain on. So I have an app on my phone that I put on, which just produces the sound of rain. It has a timer on it, and that puts me to sleep like a freaking baby. I moved states alone, well, with friends but without family, to pursue my study as, well, in fine arts photography. That was a couple years ago now, and I've never moved back because I love where I live so much. But yeah, moving was a big deal, and I'm happy I did it. I have been quite a few hair colors, especially recently, and those colors are, I'm gonna read off my little list here: black, brown, blonde, red, orange, pink, and green. So I've been many different colors. When I was a very, very small child, probably not too far from when I was born, a few months maybe, I became quite ill. I had pneumonia 9 times, and I had a lung infection called golden staph, which has left some damage on my lungs, and now I'm an asthmatic, so there's a medical information for you about me, which you probably didn't really care to know, but it's a fact. I have never traveled in my life before outside of Australia. I was gonna go, before Miss Corona came and messed everything up, I was gonna go to Japan by myself. My first trip was gonna be solo, by myself, out of the country, and I was so excited, but that's not happening anymore. But yeah, never traveled outside Australia. I plan on being a business owner in the next few years. It's gonna be a big journey, an expensive one, which I will work my ass off for. But yeah, plan on owning my own business. Did you see that? I love her. I can whistle with my fingers, and I'm gonna attempt to do it for you now. So headphone users, be ready for this. And finally, I find tattooing to be a form of meditation and relaxation. I know a lot of people don't think it feels very good and thinks it hurts a lot, but I actually think the pain is quite meditative, and it really does something to my brain that brings me back to a good point of like self-knowing, being self-centered, being aware of my body and being aware of all the things. I think there's something about when you're laying down and getting tattooed that you really unlock something in your brain that gives you a lot of time to think about yourself and what's going on. So yeah, I love tattooing, I love being tattooed. It hurts, but it's a good kind of pain. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching that. If there's anything else you want to know about me, feel free to leave questions below, Instagram, wherever. I'm happy to answer most questions for you. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.